Plumbing. Newark Mechanical Corporation has been servicing its customers in New Jersey since 1982, providing high-quality plumbing systems to both public and private sector clients. Providing plumbing system installations, kitchens, bathrooms, building common areas and exteriors for both commercial and residential clients. We specialize in commercial and residential installations of complete plumbing systems with a focus on quality and reliability with strong attention to detail. We have extensive experience in the industry with many successful projects and a long list of satisfied clients. The number of repeat clients and positive client references attests to our commitment to quality workmanship and client satisfaction. Plumbing Contractors, plumbing systems, kitchens, bathrooms, common areas and exteriors.